Alright guys, Mimi's cutting a tree. She doesn't know we're watching. Oh, Mimi. Mimi, it's going the other way. Get your saw. You need some help? Oh, that's the way we do it. What kind of cut is that? Let's go analyze Mimi's cut. Oh, it's like the double. It's the double V cut. Oh, see guys? Look at that cut. Wow.
I got a wedge.
Okay.
But
nice.
I didn't cut it
How come
straight.
you wanted to go? How come you wanted to go the other direction?
I should have cut in it straight here, and it's at an angle.
Yeah.
Because my saw really isn't strong enough for
Oh,
that.
I thought maybe you were complaining about how sharp the blade was.
Yeah, that's the Ryobi brushless 14-inch.
Yeah, man.
Okay, bum, go cut it now.
This is all yours, man. You take it down. You got to do the whole job.